Oh, come on. So yeah, my powered window broke on my car, obviously. Let's diagnose it. Well, the first culprit could be a fuse, but according to the service manual, both windows operate from the same fuse, so that's not the issue since my driver's side window works perfectly. Next up is checking the motor. I applied 12 volts to the motor directly and it worked perfectly. Sorry I didn't film this part because currently it's winter here, well, at least the time of filming, and it's difficult enough to work on your car while being frozen to the seat, let alone filming it. Next thought, maybe there's a break in the cables. According to the service manual, there should be a direct connection between the passenger side door and the driver's side door where the controller resides, and checking it with a multimeter, there's continuity. There's no break in the cables. So if it's not a fuse issue, not a motor issue, not a cable issue, then it must be the controller. So let's remove the controller and take it up to my workbench. This is the control board itself, and I quickly realized that all power going to the passenger side window goes through this large switch. And I think I found the problem. This is supposed to toggle between open and closed circuit. So let's remove it. To be honest, I don't see anything seriously wrong with this switch. Maybe there's a bit of corrosion on the contacts. Maybe the spring was too loose. So I'm going to fix those things and reassemble it. To be honest, I kind of expected something more challenging, but in the end, I'm happy, car's fixed, and thanks for watching.